Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to install Sublime Text Editor in Expression. So let's start my channel, like this. Open your favorite browser. So I am here. Type here Sublime Text. Now from here, click on Downloads. So from here, I am on Windows 64-bit. So I will click on here. So the download will start. So for the time saving purpose, I already download this one. I'll just go to Downloads folder, and here is my Sublime Text Editor. So click on this. Set up to start. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So I'll go with the default path, C program sublime text. Click on next. Add explore the menu text. Yes. Yes. Install. That will take a little time. Click on finish. Let's open sublime text. Now go to search bar, type as sublime text. So you can see how we have app installed. Click on this. Take a little time for the first time to open. You can see our Sublime Text Editor installed on our Windows. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.